को बढ़ावा देने के लिए, आयुष का मतलब आपको जानते हैं, आयुर्वेदा, यूनानी, सिद्धा, स्वाहारिकपा एंड होम्योपैथी। तो अगले दिनों में हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में खास करके जितना भी मेडिसिनल प्लांट बसा हुआ है उनको हम अपने स्टडी एरिना में लाना चाहते हैं और उनकी साइंटिफिक स्टडी और रिसर्च के जरिए जो फाइंडिंग्स हमें मिलेंगी, इस फाइंडिंग के द्वारा हम एविडेंस तैयार करेंगे और साइंटिफिक वैलिडेशन के बाद अगले दिनों में अलग अलग बीमार से लोगों को राहत देने के लिए अलग अलग मेडिसिन प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा। तो उसी को लक्ष्य बनाकर परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आज देश में आयुष को बढ़ावा देने के लिए जो कदम 2014 में उठाया, इसके पहले आयुष का इतना जानकारी लोगों का पास थे नहीं। ये व्यक्तिगत स्तर पर जो ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन यूटिलाइज किया गया था, लेकिन अब इंस्टीट्यूशनल किया गया है। इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज करने का बाद और सारा देश में आधुनिक हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन खड़ा किया गया और सरकार की तरफ से विशेष रूप से ध्यान दिया गया, जिसके वजह से आज आयुष में हिंदुस्तान तरक्की करने में आज विशेष भूमिका लेने में सफलता प्राप्त की है। तो इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि देश के अलग अलग प्रांतों का साथ नॉर्थ ईस्ट भी इस दिशा पर जाग उठे, अपना शक्ति दिखाए। तो इसलिए परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो हमें नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बचे हुए इंस्टीट्यूशन को बढ़ावा देने के लिए आदेश जारी किया है, उसी हिसाब से हम भी लगे हुए हैं और हम सब लोगों से यही दरखास्त करते हैं कि प्रकृतियों में बसा हुआ संपदा, संभावना और शक्ति को लोग पहचाने और लोग सही प्रकृतियों को सुरक्षा देने के लिए कदम उठाए। इफ नेचर इज देयर, आयुष इज देयर। इफ नेचर इज not there, Ayush is not there. So that is why, as we have already got to know through our research that there are several kind of species in the plant life which can provide you medicinal values, and out of which different kind of medicine is being already manufactured and which has been giving lot of service in the prevention and protection of human body. So that is why now, as you know, Honorable Prime Minister has promoted this particular ministry to the cabinet level, and he has given me this opportunity to serve as a cabinet minister of Ayush. Now I have a special appeal to the people of Northeast. Please concentrate in the herbal plantation, medicinal plantation, and also protect nature so that we can protect our future tomorrow. So with this particular goal, now different institution is coming up in the different parts of the country, and this Meghalaya Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy is also one of the important institutions. Now we have some more initiative need to be taken to upgrade this institution. That is why we are looking forward to start PG classes here, and whatever infrastructure is required before starting the PG courses, we will definitely complete the infrastructure facilities, and secondly, the stipend issue, as the intern of the Ayurveda, they have also been demanding that their stipend should be at par with the National Institution of Ayurveda, Jaipur. So now I have already declared that this should be done at par. So with this, I hope that the student and interns and research scholars, teachers, they will all be working together as a team, so that in the near future, this particular institution will grow not only in the national map, also but the international scenario. So that is why I believe the people of Meghalaya will definitely give special emphasis on these issues, and also the people of Northeast, because Honorable Prime Minister firmly believed that considering the available potentialities, possibilities and prosperities of Northeast, this particular region can be the new engine for India's growth. So that is why this responsibility to play the role of an engine is the biggest responsibility on the soldier of the Northeasterner. This is a golden opportunity to prove our talent, ability, commitment, dedication, discipline, etc., etc. That is why I believe, respected media friends, through you, I want that this particular message to percolate to the ground and let everybody come forward and also to promote Ayush, because Ayush can give you a good health, good life and happy life. So this is the, the traditional system of medicine we have for so many centuries together. You know that before the arrival of the medical science, allopathic, it was the traditional system of medicine through which in the different centuries, whatever pandemic came to the human life, that time also people, use those traditional system of medicine to protect their health, to protect their human society. So that way, this particular treatment has got tremendous value, and that is to be now scientifically researched and studied, and also we are to bring out, the findings, scientific findings, and evidence, so that we can convince the people of the world that this is one of the best system of medicine. And at the same time, for your information, Honorable Prime Minister has already directed to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Ayush to go hand in hand, because our goal is the same, to protect the human life and also to prevent the diseases. So now, as we have the common goal, so in this particular aspect, we have several rounds of discussion at the ministerial level and also the official level. This is a very, very good beginning. I am sure in the near future, every villages of the country, every towns of the country, hills, plains, everywhere, every part of the country, the people are going to get better service, and also people are going to get better environment for their comfortable stay and for happy living. Thank you.
What incentive is the government of India giving to the traditional healers here in Meghalaya? Because in the past 2003,
now this particular institution, for your information, this particular
for the local traditional healers.
let me tell you, this particular institution is mainly established here for this purpose, to preserve, to promote the traditional system of medicine, and to project, to propagate, to promote. So there are the 3 P involved. So that is why I believe everyone should take part in this movement, Ayush movement, because this is the best movement through which people can protect their health.
No, why I'm asking you this?
No, this is what I'm I'm telling you this thing.
What is there? For traditional healers.
Herbal
Presently,
No,
practicing here.
what I am saying, because this institution, they should also report to this particular institution, because this institution is committed to promote the traditional system of medicine. Whatever we have, the traditional practice, okay, everyone will be taken into the area of studies and research, okay?
So, what initiative we have? Validation of focal practices scheme is there.
Yeah, there are several schemes.
So what initiatives are you taking for the northeastern region, especially for Nagaland?
No, that is why this particular institution is not having the PG courses. Now we are going to introduce it, okay?
Any other
And for this, we have to develop the infrastructure facility, all the required, component that should be there in the institution campus, so that they can have better laboratory facility, better teaching facility, all the smart facility they require nowadays, that would be incorporated.
Sir, you have not replied.
Yeah, that Barapani lake, of course, I have requested the government of Meghalaya to prepare a better proposal to promote this particular lake. And my ministry, Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, from this ministry, if I get this proposal suitable, viable, then definitely our ministry will look into the matter positively. Thank you.
How many such lakes?
This is one of the lake, and if you have more such bigger water body, definitely ministry is interested to promote it as an industry of tourism. Thank you. Thank you.